this woman's getting on the phone here. Get on that sidewalk but cross the street because this gate is ruining my shot. So I'm going to go on the Hoover Street. We're on the Main Street here. I hope this is Figueroa. Second unit. Closing the gate.
Get you crazy. Yeah, no, I get it.
So he's going to close the testing to the general public. Team Rubicon, I hope you're watching this. He's closing the gate to the general public. He's like, oh, this guy is crazy. These guys are crazy. My God. Yeah, and I'll say these guys are stupid. Oh my God, this is amazing. Is he really going to pull his car for me? So they've got the, they've conspired with the state law enforcement to block the driveway. They have Team Rubicon, based on their inability to secure private medical information, has shut down testing to the general public. Chandler Blvd for Team Rubicon. This woman what happened. I wonder if he's telling them that they're out of tests or some BS. Oh my God, this is amazing.
We have a close village today.
Making a right turn, which means he's leaving. If they were, so I'm gonna leave.
You have the right to right in when the next begins.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over the generator.
I'm saying you are violating people's HIPAA rights.
HIPAA's
listen.
No. You listen.
You listen.
What am I violating? What? No, you
HIPAA.
listen.
Do you know what HIPAA is?
No, you don't know what HIPAA is.
Yes, I do.
Yeah. What
Your
is?
rights end when the next person begins. Period.
Oh my
now,
God.
You don't know who you're recording.
I work in TV, man. You don't have a release form.
Exactly.
I don't have a release form. Oh my God. You work in TV?
Yes, I
This
do.
is journalism. Do you understand that journalism
Yes, I
doesn't
do.
require a release?
Listen to this.
Yeah.
Comply with us. So it doesn't have
Just comply.
comply. So it doesn't
Just
have to
comply.
be a big deal.
Yeah.
If you're
No,
doing
no,
B-roll,
you're making it a big deal.
No,
What private information am I attaining here?
faces.
Yeah.
Faces?
Are you getting
Face-
faces?
Faces?
Are you getting faces?
I'm not here to violate anybody's privacy.
So, I don't know what you're recording. So
Okay,
listen,
faces
listen.
is not private medical information.
Yes, it
No,
is.
license plates are not
it is.
private medical information.
Yes,
It
Yes,
is?
it is.
What's your name?
Don't worry about my name.
No,
What's
you
your
don't
name?
want to tell me your name
What's
because
your
you're
name?
wrong,
Yo,
dude.
listen.
You're
Watch
wrong.
your tone, first
Yeah,
of
exactly.
all.
You're wrong. No,
Step back.
back the fuck off. I'm on a
back the
sidewalk.
fuck off.
I'm on a sidewalk.
Came out my
Get the
face.
fuck.
Get the camera out my face. Go ahead,
No, you won't.
Captain.
No, you
Knock
won't.
you out.
No, you won't.
Get your camera out my
Fuck
face.
out of here.
No, you
Get the
won't.
fuck out of
No,
here.
you won't.
You get the
You
fuck.
dumb
out.
bitch.
You dumb bitch.
You dumb bitch.
Now, exactly.
Come on, we
Now, I
go.
will throw your camera
Give me
across
my
the street.
fucking. Give me my. Dude.
Yo, I would knock you out, dog.
No.
Yeah, that's all you can say, folks. Knock the fuck out.
I'm gonna stay here all fucking day then, right?
And I'm all fat too.
Call the cops, dude.
I'm all fat too.
Call the cops. Call the cops if what I'm doing is illegal.
I'm all fat too. And I'm all fat too.
Call the cops if what I'm doing is illegal.
Guess what? That's what people do.
Thanks for watching the video, you guys. This was an absolute travesty. I left because they were turning away people that desperately needed to get tested. This was early on in the pandemic. These were first responders. These were frontline healthcare workers. And Team Rubicon, the most ill-equipped testing site known to man, literally closed their gates on people that had appointments to come and get tested. I don't know how anybody can still back Team Rubicon based on their behavior here in Los Angeles. I don't know what else they do around the world, but if this is any indication of what they do, it is a sad excuse for an organization who doesn't even know the basics of HIPAA laws. Frode, our friend in Scandinavia, knows HIPAA laws better than most healthcare workers in the United States. I don't get it. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. This was totally nuts. At least Team Rubicon is consistent in their utter failure to be able to produce an event. Great job. You guys are heroes. Hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you thought of this video and the behavior of the police and Team Rubicon. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for being here. I love all you guys. Except that one guy.